this is Anne, an Adult Services Librarian at Reed Memorial Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use Novelist. It's a great tool to find new books to read or new authors that you might like. So first I'm going to show you how to get to Novelist through our library website. So you're going to click on Catalog, and then you're going to click on Novelist Plus. I'm going to show you how to use Novelist for teens and adults, so I'm going to focus on like thrillers or science fiction. So there's a couple of ways where you can toggle between age groups. So you could toggle on your recommended reading list area on your left-hand side. You can toggle in the I'm in the mood for books are area. And then if you browse by genre, you can also toggle up here between age groups. So then Novelist, really, to use it well, you need to have a jumping off point, so an author or a book that you know you like. So for adults, let's go for author, and we'll just go for Patterson. When that loads, once your search page loads, you'll see that you'll come up with the author's name, a description of how they write, some of their most popular books, most popular series, age groups that they write for, and then there's this author read-alikes. So if you click on that, it gives you other authors that Novelist thinks that you might like based on James Patterson, and it's going to give you the reason why they think you might like it, and it has descriptors and things, and it'll point out things in common that those two authors might have. One thing that I do like is that it lets you vote whether or not you think this is a good read-alike. So maybe you do try a Jeffrey Deaver book and you just don't think that it's a good suggestion for someone who likes James Patterson. You can go back to Novelist and vote for or against that recommendation, and it helps Novelist figure out better ways to recommend things to people. If we go back, we can search for a title. Let's just go to home real quick. Say we're gonna go teens, title. Okay. So I typed in Percy Jackson. Let's say you really like stuff about mythology and you want another book like that. So then you can go to title read-alikes, and it gives you other titles that have similar themes and genres in them. So mythological fiction, gods and goddesses, fantasy fiction, and again, it lets you vote if you think this is a good recommendation or not. So then there's a couple ways that you can browse on Novelist. You can browse by genre. So it gives you just fiction A to Z, crime and suspense, fantasy, and you can either use these arrows to help you search between the titles, between the book covers, or you can just click Explore Fantasy, and it'll give you a much bigger list of titles that you might enjoy. Another way to browse is if you go by theme. This is something I like quite a bit. So let's go with mystery and suspense. And so you know you like a mystery and suspense book, but you know a specific thing that you like about it. So let's say you really like locked room mysteries. You can scroll down this list of themes, find locked room mysteries. It gives a brief explanation of what that means, and then the age groups that that theme is usually written for. So then you can click on Locked Room Mysteries, and then it gives you a list of locked room mysteries that Novelist thinks you will enjoy. One thing that I do like is that the popularity indicator, that's more about how many of this title have been sold, how how many copies, but if you go down to the Goodreads reviews, that tells you what people think of the book. Do they really like it? So 4 stars is pretty good for a book. So that's where you can get sort of like, is this a good book, or is this a book that I might not enjoy so much? So let's click on The Vanished Man. So when you find a title that you like, and you click on that, you can learn about the description of the book, the genre, and then it has reviews about the book, so you can find out if critics like this title or not. And then on your right hand side, it even also here has a list of read-alikes, and this is something I like when they show you the cover, because it does give you a sense of the book. Alrighty. And then finally, for browse by, you can browse by award winners. So you can, these are the most recent ones up here, and it gives you that, the awards. And then if you go down below, it has the different categories, so you can really see, like, if you want, like, books that tend to be Hugo award-winning books, then it'll give you a list of those, and it has the date. So these are from last year, from 2019. And again, it gives you a summary of what that award is, the age group, and if it's fiction or nonfiction. And if you click on that, it gives you a list of all of the winning books for quite a long time. And there you go. That's a few ways that you guys can use Novelist to help you find read-alikes, new titles, or new authors that you might enjoy to read. And this is a tool that we use at the library to help you guys when you know that you like something and you're not sure where you want to go next with your next book. But it's also something that you guys can really use at home, and I hope you enjoy it. Have a great day.